See this guys, by just posting different types of ads, you can see this. Okay, I can earn, you can see, $1,000 in commission with each product purchased, each product guys. And I'll show you step by step how to post different new website guys. You can see this is a new website where you can generate thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars by just following some simple tips and techniques which will help you to earn money online over this website, and you can able to earn thousands and thousands of dollars by just selling one product. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just posting your affiliate links over this website. Guys, this website is amazing. Whatever you are doing guys, whatever you are doing, no matter what skills you are having, you can perform your affiliate links. Okay, you can promote your affiliates links over this website. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create and post your advertisement over this reputed website, how you can generate affiliate links over this website so that you can earn money online by just posting these small copy paste work you need to do guys. That's simple. Okay, so for that, what you need to do first, so for guys, you just need to pay more attention to this topic. Okay, so what you need to do guys, you can see this, there are hundreds and hundreds of platforms. Okay, whether it is of health sector, okay, whether it is of online classes, tutors, okay, or online shopping products, you can see this guys, and you can see this animals, computer, healthcare, online healthcare, internet, you can see this, there are hundreds and hundreds of topics that you can see over this website, and you can earn money online. Okay, so what type of things you need to do? Okay, what type of things you need to do here? So let me just first give you an introduction about certain things that you need to do guys. So what you need to do first, I just want to tell you, just click on this register button. Okay, register button for free account. Okay, you just need to click on this, and guys, what you need to type here, your name, email address, password, repeat your password, and your profile picture. So I just quickly gave it. Okay, so I just gave it. Okay, gave my details and my password. Okay, and repeat my password. Okay, and choose my profile picture. For this, what you need to do is to choose your profile picture. Okay, so choose it guys. Okay, so let me just choose it. Okay, and you just need to click on this crop button. Okay, and just click on this I'm not a robot, and just click on this create button. Okay, and your account will get activated within few seconds. You can see this guys. Okay, so it will take some time guys to take the response. Okay, it will take some time, and you can see this guys, you can see this, an activation link is sent to your mail address. So I just quickly check my mail address. Okay, just wait for some time. Okay, and you just need to click on this Gmail. Okay, and see your mail address. You can see this guys, this is my mail address. So I just need to click on this activation link. Okay, and you can see this guys, your account has been validated. So what I need to do guys, you can see this, you can choose whatever as per your niche. You can select whatever thing you need to, and guys, try to select those topics which are having less audience. Okay, try to select those topics that are having less audience. Okay, you can see this, technology, sales, retail, you can see this, you can see other things as well. Here you can see motorcycle, boats, online shopping products. Okay, so let me just take one of the topic. Okay, let me just take clothes. Okay, let me just take clothes. Okay, so for that, what I need to do guys, I can take whatever clothes or affiliate links that I can generate. So I just come up here in this Amazon affiliates. Okay, this is the best website, guys, where you can started earning money. Not too much, guys, but when you multiply it with the buyers who just click on your ads. Okay, just imagine that this website will offer you freely. You can post freely here. So I just come up here, you can see this, guys, in this Amazon affiliate program. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, is to just search as per your niche. I have selected clothing, so just you just need to search here clothes. Okay, clothes. Okay, I just need to search clothes. Okay, so it will automatically load it. You can see this, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of clothes that you can sell, okay, at whatever price you can see. Okay, so for this, what I need to do, guys, is to just click on this one of these products. Okay, just click on one of these products, and you can see this, guys, crazy print topic. Okay, so for this you just need to click on this publish your free ads and just set up a particular niche. Okay, so clothing it is, so you can see this, guys, clothing. Okay, you can select clothing, you can see this clothing, give the title. Okay, give the description, what description you can give. You can see this, guys, just copy this. Okay, and just come up here. Okay, another thing you can do is to give these things as well. Okay, just give these things as well. See this. Okay, and give the link. Okay, give the most important thing is your link. Okay, you can see this, guys, link. Okay, so what is your link? So just click on this get link. Okay, and you can see this, guys, click on this text only, short link, and just copy this link. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, and you can select the price, $9.9. Okay, and select the region where you need to promote this. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, guys, you can see United Kingdom, United States. Okay, you can set up, and what you need to do, guys, just click on this I'm not a robot. Okay, and just click on this publish button. That's it, guys. Okay, it will take some reviewal actions, and your post is getting approved. Okay, within few seconds. So you can see this, guys, you can classify your ads. ClickBank, guys, if you are familiar with ClickBank, okay, you can post your affiliate links over this platform. Okay, guys, another website I just want to show you is this. Okay, Hubspots Com. So it's basically, guys, a business generated websites which will help you to generate small startup companies to do the business. Okay, so you can promote these business links as well. You can see this, guys, $1,000 commission. You can purchase it. Okay, $1,000 in commission. You can purchase it. So what you can do, guys, you can see this. You just need to click on this affiliate programs over this website, and what you need to do, guys, you can see this is a form that you will get. Okay, become a hotspot affiliate. Okay, so you can join this program of affiliation, so that, guys, because business related whatever ads you are getting, okay, business related ads, you can see this, guys, business related, the sales are more in this. Okay, because I want you to earn thousands and thousands of dollars per day. Okay, so how you can do it, guys? By just posting your ads over this website. Okay, and related to what? Business ads. You can see this, guys. So basically it will help you to generate business. This website and the software that the service that they are offering is the best for you to do the business. Okay, so this is a basic motive of this website. Okay, so whatever links you are getting, guys, you can post it. Okay, I have shown you a demo with the Amazon affiliate links, so you can do the similar things over this website as well. If you like this video, guys, I just want to tell you, you just need to click on this like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that guys you will get the notification of my video, and share my video to each and every platform guys, each and every platform, so that guys people are get to know something great about my website, okay, my YouTube channel, and these types of websites that help them to earn money online. Till then, happy earning.